we're back. As you can see, the Corsa is back from the paint shop. We've got 3.5 days until, well, technically 5 days till the show, but 3.5 working days left to get this running, driving, and yeah, complete. As you can see, it's got no engine box in it, the lume's just up here. Looks great, but there's so much work to do. There's different rear axle, we've still got stuff like the powder coaters. We are so far away from being done. Whether it's going to make it or not, we'll have to wait and see. Do you think it'll make it, Potter?
It'll go. Probably on a trailer.
But no faith.
Obviously, you might have seen us at the show, whether it was there or not, don't know yet. But just let us know in the comments if this car is going to make it to the show under its own power.
Let's wait and find out.
Let's get putting the engine back in.
Yeah, boy.
Like a kid at Christmas. So excited. Yeah, boy. Excited.
Right guys and girls, we are back and the Corsa is done. Officially done. We got given this back at Monday around about 3:30 and it was just a shell. I wouldn't even call it a rolling shell, it was just a shell. Obviously Pennings have been up against it, we've been up against it, but we managed to pour a couple of late nights in, the whole team kind of worked together and just got it done. I'll give you a quick walk around. Obviously, massive shout out to Pennings on the amazing paint job. Can't knock it at all. It looks absolutely fantastic. As you can see, you've got it sitting on the Alessio speed lines. They look absolutely great. Finish your car off completely. Another big shout out to Dave the Trimmer. We've got the Vectra GSI seats in, the Recaros, all matching the rear interior, and I think they just look, yeah. We obviously had them matching the previous interiors. Obviously the Corsa GSI would obviously been different seats, but this kind of stitching, so we've had them refabricated onto the GSI seats, and yeah, perfect. As you can also see, in previous episodes we were on about the rear axle, rear disc conversion. So we've had the axle off, powder coated. I would give him a shout out, but I can't remember his name, so shout out to the powder coater. We've had the axle off, powder coated, poly bushed, all the backing plates powder coated, the calipers powder coated, new fresh set of EBC disc and pads. So another big shout out to EBC. There's so many people that's helped us along with this project. It's unbelievable. So many people to give shout out, but I can't remember them off all the top of my head. So big shout out to the main ones. This will be on the show at Max Power Reunion on Sunday and Monday. So if you want to pop along, come have a look at it and see what amazing work the team's done. You're more than welcome.